I began doing some test runs on the finishing operation of our smart cell, and I'm smelling a hint of that wonderful aroma of magic smoke. And I can't figure out whether it's actually the finishing or it's my spindle motor. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to talk about a couple of thermal imaging options. I picked up the Fluke 279 FC and a Fluke IC, mainly to talk about how improper wire termination can cause us to build heat. But let's see what it does with this. What I like about the 279 FC is the reporting options you get. So I'm just going to do an initial picture. I'm going to point it right there and we'll hit the capture button. I'll go ahead and save it. And later we can pop that into a report. That's really useful when we're shooting panels and finding bad spots in circuits. The IC is just super convenient because I can plug it into my phone and it automatically opens up. And hey, I always have my phone on me, but let's see what else we can do. For us that really want to see a picture, I can plug it into my tablet. Now we can get a serious picture of what's going on. And very similarly to the 279 FC, we can point and take a snapshot. It also has given us an auto range. It's given us the high and the low temperature point, but we can also record video on this. So I'm going to get us set up to run a little bit. And in case we'll pop over here, record some video and figure out if our spindle motor is getting super hot or if it's our brush getting super hot. All right, initially it looks like it's bouncing back and forth between the spindle motor and the brush, so I'm not sure. The temperature's in Celsius right now, but we can change that. I'm going to go to settings, and right there we can pop it over to Fahrenheit. Okay, and now it looks like the brush is the big heat source. It's running about 150 degrees. But if I actually aim up here, yeah, we're running about 120. We're not looking too bad on our motor so far. And we're showing just about the same on the 279. We'll go ahead and take a snapshot of that. Okay, it does look like my temperature is climbing. We're at about 160 degrees now. I Googled DC motors. I couldn't find this exact motor, but it looks like its maximum temperature should be about 200 degrees. All right, as we're coming around on the second run, we're running about 187 degrees, so we're definitely reaching the limits of this. And we're showing about the same on the 279 FC. All right, we are definitely at 200 degrees, and I am smelling the magic smoke. Yeah, our brush is even hardly registering heat now, and we're approaching 207 degrees. So no doubt, I love both the 279 FC and the IC, especially hooked to my tablet, because that gives me a serious view of a huge issue in my system. Now we got to do some work on this. So here's a playlist talking a little more about these and a solution to our spindle issue.